In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter search results on Expedia: stops, airlines, amenities. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can quickly narrow down the best options for both flights and stays. Start by opening your browser and searching for Expedia. From the results, choose the official site with the expedia.com URL. Once the homepage loads, click Sign In. Being signed in helps keep your choices synced across devices and can make it easier to revisit your filtered results later. For flights, enter your departure and arrival cities along with your travel dates, then select Search. When the results page opens, the filter tools are easy to spot. On desktop, they appear on the left side of the screen. On mobile, tap the filter icon to open them. To control layovers, find the Stops section and choose Non-Stop, One Stop, or 2+ stops. Non-stop is fastest, but it can be pricier. Choosing one stop may expand your options and lower fares. Next, use the airline filter to check or uncheck specific carriers you prefer or want to avoid. This is handy if you're collecting miles with a particular alliance, or if you've had better experiences with certain airlines. If timing matters, filter by departure and arrival times to target morning, midday, or evening flights. You can also filter by total duration to avoid overly long connections. Remember that filtering narrows the list, while sorting changes the order of what you see. Use the Sort drop-down to organize by price, duration, departure time, or arrival time. For example, sort by price to see the cheapest options first, or by duration to surface the fastest itineraries. Now, for hotels and stays, start by entering your destination and dates, then run your search. Open the filters to refine your results in detail. The amenities section is where you'll select must-haves, such as free Wi-Fi for work, a pool for relaxation, airport shuttle for stress-free transfers, parking if you're driving, or pet-friendly options if you're traveling with a companion. These choices instantly trim the list to properties that match your needs. You can also refine by guest rating or star rating. Guest rating is based on user reviews and reflects real traveler experiences, while star rating indicates the property's class and typical service level. Use them together to balance quality with budget. As you apply filters, keep an eye on the results count and preview a few listings to confirm they match your expectations. If things feel too narrow, remove a filter or two to bring back more choices. That's it. Simple, clear filtering to find the right flights and stays faster on Expedia.